Today is April 16 and we went here to Korea to chase the cherry blossoms before they all fall down of their leaves and dry up. So right now, best tip I can give you when you're planning to see the cherry blossoms, the same date as we did, is to head to Nami Island, Paju, or other places in Gapyeong first before you go to the Uedo Hanggang Park or Uedo Park, because they usually dry up later compared to the ones sa northern part ng Seoul. So here, look, mostly sa mountainsides you can see yung mga konti-konti pa. And here's the highway, meron pa dyan. This is in Petite France. Yan. And then the highway. There. You can see it. There.
For this vlog, I will be showing you how my family and I DIY'd our Nami Island / Le Petite France day trip from Seoul.
Going to Nami Island, you have several options from the central district, which is, for my opinion, as a tourist, is Myeongdong or Dongdaemun. So if you're coming from Dongdaemun, there is a shuttle bus from Shinsegae department store. Departs the department store at about 9 AM, mga ganun na oras. And then it arrives at about 11 AM when you avail of that. And since marami mga tours na ganun, marami ng tao pagdating mo, and medyo mainit na rin. So, what we did, what I researched is to take the ITX Cheongnyangni from Cheongnyangni station to Gapyeong. And then from Gapyeong, we boarded the Gapyeong shuttle bus, which is 6,000 for the whole day na. And you can go to Nami Island and then Le Petite France. And you can still, kung may oras pa kayo, you can continue up to Garden of the Morning Calm.
We started the day with Isak, a famous sandwich chain based in South Korea, and my favorite breakfast in Seoul.
Morning everyone, we're having breakfast by the tracks, waiting for our ITX train to Gapyeong, where we will board the bus to Nami Island. Bakit? Gang focus. Okay, yan. I'm having steak burger? Steak ham. Ate's having bacon.
Bacon best.
Mom?
Bacon best.
I had to stop recording because our train arrived.
Nakarating na kami sa Gapyeong, and then from here we will be riding the shuttle bus to the wharf papuntang Nami Island. Yan, Gapyeong station. So last time na pumunta ko dito, ang pagkakamali ko, nilakad ko pa hanggang sa bus terminal, when in fact I can ride the bus going here, you know, from here. Dito yung Gapyeong station. Just exit, and then directly in front of it is the shuttle bus to Nami Island. So if you buy the shuttle bus, parang all day ticket, which is worth 6,000 won, you can go around Gapyeong County with that ticket. So bali yung commute mo papuntang Nami Island, papuntang Le Petite France, and even dun sa Garden of the Morning Calm, and dun sa Jeju Rail Bike, kasama na dito. Pero may option ka rin, since sometimes the line piles up, you can take the taxi or the public bus. Ang difference lang talaga dito, parang magiging ano siya, parang shuttle, actually shuttle bus talaga siya. And then meron talaga siyang nagsasalita ine-explain kung saan na kayo, kung ano may kita doon, kung ano meron. Yun. Here is the timetable. And you can see kung saan ka mag-start ka. For example, sa atin, nasa dito tayo sa Gapyeong Station, right? So, what time is it?
10 o'clock.
So, 10:10. Ayan, kararating lang ng bus. 10:10. And then, we're going to Nami Island. We arrive at 10:25. 10:25. If makasakay kami. Ang haba kasi ng pila. And then, this is the route around Gapyeong. So, you can either take the course A or course B. Kung gusto mo, unahin mo yung paano ba dito? Uunahin mo yung morning calm. Pwede mo yung course B ka. And you just go there. We are here. We have arrived. Come on, girls. So we have arrived in, actually we're near Nami Island. Sasakay pa kami ng boat dito. Yung parang Bali entrance niya. We buy the tickets here. Okay. Nami Island with cherry blossom. We're gonna ride that one. That one. We are aboard the boat. Or the boat? Ferry. The ferry. Tama. Well, you know, she's... Shout out ka sa mga fans mo.
Fans.
Plug 2. Say bye-bye. Plug 2. Plug 2. We are now inside the ferry. Ito kami sa may deck. Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe. Not sure if considered yung taas eh.
So we're here, nasa may terrace. Nasa
Balcony.
sa may banyo. Hindi pa kami makaalis kasi may schedule tong mga ferry. So pina-follow talaga nila yun. And then by the way guys, if you're visiting Nami Island, sa mga foreigners, wala na silang discounted price. So yung 10,000 won is for everyone now, whether you're a local or a foreigner. So you have to pay 10,000 and that includes a round trip ticket sa ferry and then entrance fee na rin yun sa Nami Island. And then you can, meron mga kainan dun sa mismong docking area ng ferry. Ayan, gumagalaw na kami. May mga kainan doon, pero sa mismong Nami Island din, marami din kainan doon. And then here, yan. Medyo mabagal lang yung galaw ng ferry. Yan lang, ganyan lang siya. Gumagalaw lang. Oh, by the way, an alternative to the ferry is you can zip line to the island. It's more expensive, pero faster. Ayan. May nag-zipline na naman.
Pero mabilis nga naman yun to the area. 그때 홍대에서 선글라스 장사하던 애가
Tanan! Mainit pala dito sa right side pag mga 10 a.m., 11 a.m. So, pag sasakay kayo ng ferry, doon kayo na lang sa left side. Yan, bumaliktad na si ate. Ang init eh. You know? Pero we get the view of the cherry blossoms and we get to exit first. Kasi, yan lang yung babaan. Greetings from Nami Island. Siyempre, dediretso kami doon sa pinuntahan namin dito, di ba? Kami sa Cherry Blossom Alley. Saan siya? Actually, marami pa dito. Hindi ba basta ba kayong Cherry Blossom Alley? Fear Tree. Asa lang? Sequoia. Nami po. Mami!
Anong hinahanap mo? Sequoia Garden, White Bird, Big Pong Garden.
Nami Island is a famous half-moon-shaped isle. It is flocked by tourists for its picturesque landscape during various seasons.
Nakikita niyo ba? Nakikita ba ng camera ko yung nag-fall? Ah, nag-fall na siya.
Ay, mali na naman ako. 1,
Matangkad dapat ako. Tingnan mo yung legs. Tipid din.
1, 2. Bebe, hindi ko... May napindot na naman yata ako.
Saan ko nakahawak, Winnie? Nabusan kayo ng pera. Rented a bike for 4,000 won, 30 minutes. My parents there, me here. Hindi ko kayang mag-bike nang nagbablog. Sige lang, sunod ako. Makanta pa sila, oh. Okay lang. Okay lang, walang love life. Okay lang. Yan, tingnan niyo yung view. Uy, sana may stabilizer ako dito. Guys, ganito lang ang view nyo. Kasi hindi ko kayang mag-bike ng one hand. Hindi ako ganun ka-pro. So, this is the best you can get. Yay! Ah! Hi, Ma! Hi! So guys, paalis na kami sa Nami Island. Napuntahan namin yung Cherry Blossom Alley. Pero hindi ko nakuha sa video kasi nagbabike kami noon. Tapos hindi ko kaya yung one hand na nagbabike lang. So yan, makikita nyo. Ito yung unang makikita nyo pagkapasok nyo at dinadiretso nyo yung entrance. So itong mahaba na to. I think this is sequoia trees. Kasi yung meta sequoia nasa likod pa. Yung cherry blossom nasa pinakalikod din. And then by the lake, merong mga maliliit na cherry blossom. Yun. So far, nag-enjoy naman kami.
Yeah!
Enjoy naman sila. Papagutom na. Kakain na lang kami pagka-land. Pagka-dock ng ferry sa other side. So, it is magwawan din dito. And then, sobrang daming tao. Sobrang daming tao. So, I advise you guys, if you're planning to visit Nami Island, punta kayo ng mas maaga. Early in the morning. So, we just finished eating our lunch. Hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog kasi gutom na kami and gutom na kami and bakit nga ba? Dumating na yung food. So, kumain na kami agad. And then now, after Nami Island, we're off to Petite France to see the Little Prince. So, nasa CR pa yung mga kasama ko at yung bus. Ayun na yung bus. Ayun na yung bus. Yung light green dyan, nakikita nyo ba? Yung light green dyan, yan yung sasakyan namin. And they're nowhere to be found. Ah!
Petite France is based from Saint-Exupéry's book The Little Prince, one of the most memorable books I've read and reread growing up.
We have arrived in Petite France. Hala, mahal na rin dito. Famous locations for K-drama. Hi guys, so right now I have the Petite France on my background. Since medyo pagod na kami, yun, medyo lay low na kami ngayon. Hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog. And also, inform ko lang kayo, mahal ng entrance ngayon. And they opened the galleries na. So, kahit anong gallery dito, wala nang kailangan entrance. Hindi na siya separate kasi mahal na yung entrance. The entrance is now 10,000 won. Before, magkano ba yung binayad ko nun? Siguro mga 7 to 8. So, if you're a fan of My Love from Another Star like I am, meron ditong gallery featuring Jung Ji Hyun's clothes. There, you can see it there. Tapos, meron pa yung Return of Superman, and then this, I forgot ko anong drama to, pero, yun. Medyo, pagod na. Obvious na pagod na ako sa boses ko.
And that concludes our day trip to Nami Island and Petite France.
So, coming from Nami Island, we got off at the Cheongnyangni station. And instead of getting off at Dongdaemun, we went straight to Seoul Station. And here, sabi nung guest house manager kasi namin, the rates are better here. So indeed, it is better. Sa Myeongdong, we exchanged some of our pesos sa exchange rate na 19. Here, they give it 22.11. So grabe, ang gain namin nun. Parang 19. So parang 3 pesos din ang nadagdag. So that's nice. Kasi we get more won. So if you're ever in the area, I suggest na you get your pesos exchange in Seoul Station rather than Myeongdong, which is, you know, a tourist destination. So mas mahirap talaga makakakuha ng good rates doon.
Then, we visited the nearby Lotte Mart for some shopping.
They are together. Beware. Dun, 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 dun. This is dinner.
And had ribs wrapped in cheese for dinner. Sarap!